Hey there, Hexicans. I'd like to take a minute to explain how my course, HEX Mastery, can help you and everyone you love and care about participate in HEX safely and securely in a way that teaches and enhances all of the healthy benefits of HEX that we know and love so much. HEX Mastery is a one-stop solution for all of the challenges that new Hexicans face. In my experience, onboarding new people has been a struggle for a few reasons. First, one of the main benefits of staking HEX is to earn passive income as you go on living your life. We, as experienced crypto investors, love earning passive income directly to our cold storage wallets. But this is not ideal for those who are new to investing in cryptocurrency, because when they stake for a year to set it and forget it, that means that they're not practicing using crypto for a whole year, so they forget everything that you taught them. My strategy in HEX encourages new investors to practice saving and dollar cost averaging to build a 15-year CD ladder over time. This has the added benefit of keeping new Hexicans engaged to continue practicing using their hardware wallet, to reinforce strong crypto security habits, as well as becoming more comfortable using cryptocurrencies, the decentralized exchange, and blockchain networks over time, all conveniently located in the online HEX Mastery course with video tutorials that they can access and refer to when they need. Also, Hexicans are well aware of all of the traps that are laid in cryptocurrency where new investors could get into trouble. After 6 years of investing in these digital assets, I've seen it all. HEX Mastery teaches the crypto foundation that new investors need to know to stay safe and secure so that they learn what's important from the start. One thing that we've learned over the past few years is that the cryptocurrency space is not friendly to new investors attempting to brave the worldwide wild west of crypto investing on their own. Crypto exchanges and YouTube influencers are largely distractions that divert their attention away from what's important about investing. If they had their way, your friend or family member would be encouraged to click an affiliate link to join an exchange, along with an affiliate link to buy a trading course that shows them how to become a day trader. These YouTube influencers would then forget to tell the brand new investor that the vast majority of day traders lose all their money in the process of learning a time-consuming skill set of mastering charts to spend all day risking their investment money on short-term gains. HEX Mastery teaches the power of delayed gratification, holding on to an asset, saving to invest regularly, and dollar cost averaging into a high-performing asset like HEX to get paid passive income with a powerful strategy that maximizes HEX's full potential with a CD ladder to structure their financial future. Delayed gratification, investing, holding, saving, dollar cost averaging, and passive income are how wealthy people create and sustain generational wealth. They don't day trade. HEX monetizes the most powerful secrets and habits of wealthy people. And HEX Mastery zeroes in on what takes investors years to figure out on their own, to make sure that those concepts are understood and practiced instead of the middle management mindset of charts and day trading. HEX Mastery is streamlined to teach new investors the basics and fundamentals first, and then all of the healthy concepts of investing properly so that they grow lifelong experience in all of the right areas. This will be critical down the road because when their investment grows, they will need to have a solid foundation to manage their wealth themselves instead of relying on you to manage their crypto investment for them. Trust me, if they don't learn to do this themselves, when their investment grows into something substantial, you just signed up to manage their finances for free for the next 15 years. HEX Mastery is the one-stop solution to teaching those who want to be financially free how to enrich their lives the Hexican way. Did your friend or loved one properly generate and secure their private keys with a hardware wallet before they established a 15-year HEX CD ladder? Let's face it, taking self-custody of digital assets is a brand new experience for all investors, and they need to learn what's important about crypto security before they structure their financial future on a crypto wallet. What's 15 years of peace of mind worth knowing that they learned how to be secure from the beginning while their investment that pays them daily grows. Not only will this course teach them how to secure their crypto properly, but HEX Mastery has a Telegram group chat for everyone who enrolls to ask questions with screen share and video conference capabilities so that I can help them resolve their issues. I will reserve Sundays to help those who are stuck, as that's when most people are off work and gas fees on the Ethereum network are lower for transactions. I will also be able to create and share video content in the group chat for reoccurring hangups. The group chat will be a great way for new Hexicans to get to know each other and to ease into the broader Hexican community with confidence. As a day one Hex investor, I remember the months that it took the young Hexican community to realize the power and depth of the HEX share system. What's a share pool? What's a CD ladder? What's a T-share? What's the difference between HEX's market price and the HEX share price? My first attempt at staking a HEX CD ladder was a costly, hard lesson learned and a mistake that I want to save new investors from making. I had to end some of my HEX stakes early and pay penalties in order to structure stakes out for longer. This is because it took a long time for the HEX share system to come into focus for me before I fully understood that staking HEX was me planning my financial future. HEX Mastery drastically cuts this steep learning curve and shows new Hexicans how to begin structuring a CD ladder that's done right the first time. Then I discovered the best strategy that I'm aware of for how to maximize HEX and its potential. Thinking about my strategy is the fastest way to understand the HEX share system so that you can structure a HEX CD ladder that's suitable for your life and goals. My HEX Mastery strategy leverages the power of saving money through dollar cost averaging while earning passive income while you hold a high-performing asset that has already shown a 10,000-fold price appreciation in HEX's first 2 years. Imagine if you saved money to dollar cost average and hold Bitcoin in its early days until now. You wouldn't be rich, you would be wealthy right now. Now imagine if you could earn more Bitcoin in the form of passive income that stays solely in your custody the entire time while you saved and structured your financial future. This is why HEX was created. Bitcoin's inflation is paid to miners who maintain and secure the Bitcoin network by burning billions of dollars of electricity each year. Investors park their life savings in the market to buy Bitcoin from miners who sell Bitcoin, to pay an electric bill that literally burns the amount of electricity the developed nation of Sweden uses to sustain its population of 10.5 million people every year. That's what Bitcoin's inflation buys each year with investors' money. HEX's inflation is paid only to Hexicans who structure their financial future on a network that's more secure than Bitcoin's. When the Bitcoin price dips, that's miners paying their electric bill. When the HEX price dips, that's Hexicans making their dreams come true. And instead of having to sell your HEX for expensive mining equipment and electricity, HEX will always pay you 20% more on your principal for each year that you lock for up to 10 years. That's literally the difference between Bitcoin and HEX, which has been running perfectly for over 3 years now with a 10,000-fold price appreciation in its first 2 years, while it pays stakers on average 38% per year in the high-performing asset HEX to plan and structure their financial future while they self-custody and hold their private keys the entire time. HEX Mastery is the one-stop shop to take full advantage of this incredible opportunity with direct access to me to answer your questions in the HEX Mastery Telegram group chat, where other new investors are learning how to secure their financial freedom. Hexicans, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this content, and share this onboarding resource with anyone who needs to understand how HEX has changed investing forever. Go to hexmastery.com to enroll.